Hello everyone, this is Wren. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm in the Sanhe warehouse located in Shanghai. Today I want to introduce the 320 GC excavator to you. Now follow my camera, let's go. Look, this excavator is 9.4 meters long, 2.8 meters wide, and 3.1 meters high, which can fix most big projects. Okay, you want to ask me what about the power? Okay, let me tell you. Look here. The CAT C4.4 turbo engine with 104 kilowatts, no lag in heavy loads. The intelligent fuel system costs consumption 15% vs similar models, saving costs without slowing progress. What about the performance? Its maximum digging depth is 6.5 meters and the bucket capacity is 1.2 cubic meters, which can easily handle the hard soil and the gravel. The reinforced chassis combined with wide tractor enables it to reach ground pressures of 48 kilopascal, allowing it to stable on any terrain. Its operational functions are also truly remarkable. The suspended seats can alleviate fatigue during long work periods. The joystick is easy to operate and even beginners can master it with ease. The touchscreen can display the working status, and it also has a review camera and radio alert function, making it very safe to use. To sum up, the 320 GC excavator has strong power, lower fuel use, and great durability. Okay, if you are interested about this excavator, feel free to contact me. Thank you.